Okay, we have a quick demo of the Duke Kaboom. It is serial number D80309. Okay, we'll power him on, and there's no power on the remote, so when you back up, he turns. Oh, I gotta straighten him out a little. So forward, back to turn, forward. He's so cool. Better on hardwood, but he still manages on carpet. The only thing to be aware of is on carpet, you have a tendency to get hairs wrapped around that tire, which I did clean that out very well while I was restoring him. But there you have it.